Just this is it. They're all the same. Alright, so the more you take your steering wheel off.
Oh, does it go on like that?
Change the stickers.
That's Southern Friend. Got that one?
That's why I drive a seat. Even though they're cheap.
Line post.
Thank you.
Yo, where's B? And oh, don't do that.
Come on. Then a stock 350? Yeah. I think they look the same hood almost. It's probably because that jailbreak probably takes more battery than you think, really.
You good?
That was a GT. Driven by old man and then the game. Oh, I thought he was gonna slip out. Look at that face. You could never say no to that face. She's like, games. That looks awesome.
Here, I'll fix her for you. I'll fix her for you. She's like, I don't know what's going on, but there's a lot of. We got Sylvia. This girl named. Mine. Of course. Hey Ben, put me in your pocket, Ben.
Keep cracking up. Big Japanese like thing.
No?
No. That's loud. Calm down.
Fuck yeah.
Oh, that's.
Yeah. Stink bug life, bro.
I love it. Oh, I love it.
All right, now turn your wheel to full lock and air out.
That sounds like a good idea.
Oh no. No way he can. Okay, maybe he can.
Dude, I'm that low and I can turn.
No, the front. The front. And the
Is that wheel? Dude, I told him to stick.
Here's a shock just
Shoulder lean with your car?
Can I get a video of your car doing that? Make me a happy boy.
Yeah, it's blue.
I'll do mine. You ready?
Can you do that with your phone? Right?
That's stink bugging right there.
Oh my god, look at it.
Oh, bro, can I
That's how you stink bug like that. Yeah.
Drop it like it's hot.
Did he have to go show off?
Anti-stink bug. You guys remember when I posted that video?
Yeah.
Me doing that?
Bag.
I want compressor! No, I got 2 compressors. I'm not struggling. It's only got a 2.5 tank. Nope.
Next week.
Exactly.
I can only spend $100 a week from now.
I didn't know. I don't know if the guy did.
Reflash the ECU. I don't know if you changed the ECU or not, because these companies, you can put the ECU on and just let it load. Sorry, I know more about the older models and the older.
OkieBmx, calling the shot. Neil said tooth hanger the flat part of the rail.